There's a new update on handling time for Amazon FBM sellers, and this is called AST or Automatic Handling Time. This is Mortuza from Ecomclips, and in this video, I'm gonna cover everything you need to know about this update on the handling time. Okay, so it's very normal that when customers order a product, they want it as soon as possible, and Amazon knows it very well. That's why they provide an estimated delivery time. Here, understanding the total delivery time is very important. If I make it more simple to you, the total delivery time consists of two parts: handling time and transit time. Also, if there are public holidays and weekends, that can also affect in the total delivery time. Now, if I look at this product on Amazon, it's an FBA item. But if you know, sometimes if your FBA product is out of stock, or if there are any issues with an FBA product, you can give backup with your FBM product. For that, you obviously need to sell the same product for both FBM and FBA, and we always suggest to sell both FBA and FBM. For example, you can see this ASIN, we have both FBA and FBM SKUs. And you know, there are a number of benefits we get from our FBM listings in times. Like during the peak period, FBM really helps. For instance, right after Cyber Monday. And I know many sellers sell through FBM for them. This new update on handling time is very important. Well, you might ask, what is handling time? I think we all know it. In simple words, it's the time between when customer places an order and when you hand it over to the shipping service. You can set your handling time, and there are three ways to do it. The first one is the default handling time. This means you can set a default handling time for all your products at the account level. It can be set to the same day, 1 business day or 2 business days. Then ASIN-Specific handling time. Here you can also set handling time for specific products. This will override the default handling time for those products. And the third one is automated handling time, or AST. This is the new feature, and I'm going to discuss about this one. So what exactly is AST or automatic handling time? Basically, when you enable your AST to your products, AST sets the handling time based on your historical performance for each ASIN. In this way, you can ensure more accurate delivery estimates for customers. For example, let's say you have been selling a popular gadget and you have set the manual handling time to 2 days. But whenever you are getting an order, you hand the product over to the delivery service within 1 day. So your actual performance shows that you are actually shipping orders within 24 hours. Now, here when AST sees this pattern and gives that specific product a 1-day handling time automatically, you don't need to do anything on hand. The system will decide the handling time. This not only makes your customer happy by meeting their expectations, but also helps you boost your sales. And there are other benefits associated with it. Like if you can maintain everything, you will be eligible for Seller Fulfilled Prime, and there are many more benefits. Okay, now let's see how to enable this automated handling time feature. So as you can see, I am here in the Amazon Seller Central now. So from here, let's go to the shipping settings and then click on the general shipping settings section. Now scroll down and find the handling time section. Here you can see new automated handling time. It's not activated yet for this account. Click on edit here, and from here just click on the toggle to turn on the automated handling time and save it. Easy, right? So this way you can also enable this feature for your Amazon FBM items. Additionally, we have another feature here, order handling capacity. So with this, you will be able to set the maximum number of orders that you can reliably dispatch each day. Once the capacity limit is reached, any orders with the same day handling time, 1 day handling time, or 2 days handling time will be extended to the next available shipping day. The primary purpose of this feature is to protect sellers from sudden spikes in the orders that could potentially result in the poor customer experience. And this will obviously negatively impact their metrics. But what about prime orders? Does AST affect them? Well, AST doesn't impact on the handling time for prime orders. They remain the same. Also, the order limit capacity won't apply to the PSO. I mean the premium shipping option orders and the prime orders. Now, the main question, how does automated handling time affect your sales? After all the discussion, you got the idea that Amazon wants to provide the better services to their customers, and that's exactly why they comes up with this new feature and the program. And with AST, you can offer more convenient delivery time to your customers. Accurate handling time means more satisfied customers, which will potentially boost the sales. Now, here is a little insider tip for you guys. For the first 90 days after this change, your late shipment rate won't be impacted. And also, by enabling this AST feature, you are enhancing your overall customer experience and potentially increasing your bottom line. So I think this feature is worth trying out. If you have already tried AST, share your experience in the comment below. If you have any questions, you can also drop them in the comment section, or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. You can also call us and book a same-day free consultation. We'd love to work for you and help you to grow your e-commerce business online. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.